Hi everyone! Today I'll make a good party food, chicken and vegetables with mustard sauce. This includes many different kinds of healthy vegetables and the sauce is mostly good for health too, so I hope you enjoy this recipe. Cut the skin off of the cucumber, leaving some of the cucumber on the skin, and we will use the skin part for our dish. Julienne 1/3 cup of each cucumber, yellow sweet pepper, Asian pear, red cabbage, carrot, and leaf lettuce. If you cannot get an Asian pear, you can use a sweet apple instead. Prepare 1 cup of cooked chicken breast. It will be best to use freshly cooked chicken for better flavor. However, using leftover chicken is also good. Shred the chicken thinly. In a small bowl, mix all of the ingredients for the sauce. Serve it on a big round plate with the mustard sauce in the center. Divide each of the ingredients into 3 groups and place them in the same order. This colorful dish will make your eyes and mouth happy. Give each individual a serving dish so that each person can get some of the vegetables and chicken along with some sauce. Mix everything together before eating. The combination of vegetables, chicken, and the sweet mustard sauce tastes great. Try someday. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.